kill a newborn baby for some women because the bond, the mother-child bond, hasn't been formed. For most women, though, that bond starts forming the moment she finds out she's pregnant. That did not happen with Diane. Diane makes another shocking decision. She doesn't dispose of the body. She keeps it.
That's it. Huh? Get back. Get back. Come on. Get back.
Has interviewed Diane O'Dell, asking her
One of the reasons she gives me is that she wanted to give the
Okay, that's it.